I'm hosting a barbecue this weekend. I'll get most of my ingredients at the supermarket, but some things I'll want to pick up from my local butcher shop. When my shopping list is this crowded, it can be hard to see just the items I'm looking for in that kind of specialty store. Luckily, AnyList has 3 features designed to help me find the right stuff at the right places: stores, filters, and category sets. I assign stores to items on my list that I only buy at certain places. I use filters while I'm shopping to only see items relevant to the store I'm in. And I use an advanced feature called category sets to reorder the item categories on my list to match the layout of the aisles in each store. It saves me a lot of running around in the supermarket. By combining these 3 features, I can customize my list with the tap of a button to match the store I'm in, and the time savings add up. In this video, we'll show you how to make the most of these features and your next shopping trip. Let's start with a closer look at stores, filters, and category sets. The stores feature helps me remember the best places to buy certain things on my list. Here's how it works. I assign a store to the specialty items I need to buy somewhere specific. In this case, I'll create a store called Butcher and assign it to those items. An item can have as many stores assigned to it as you need. Filters help me focus my list on the items I want to buy at the stores I've assigned to them. When I go to a specialty store like the Butcher, I only want to see the specialty items that brought me there. So I tap the filter icon and choose my Butcher filter. The supermarket staples disappear, leaving just the specialty meat items I came for. Whenever you create a store in AnyList, the app also creates a filter to match. By default, the filter is named after the new store, and it only shows items assigned to that store. But you can customize the name and set the filter to include unassigned items if it's for stores with wide selections. AnyList prompts me to set this preference whenever I create a new store, but I can change the setting anytime by editing the filter. Filters allow you to focus on items relevant to your current shopping trip. But even with a filter, there can still be a lot on your list. By combining filters with an advanced feature called category sets, you can customize the categories on your list to match the aisle layout of a large store. That means less backtracking in aisles you've already been down and a faster, more focused trip to the store. Category sets are an advanced feature designed with the most organized shoppers in mind. They allow you to create custom names and arrangements of the categories on your list to match the layout of the aisles in the stores where you shop most often. Then easily switch sets for different stores. If one store's entrance opens into the produce section and another starts with the bakery, you can make a category set for each of those stores. Then, in 2 taps, you can choose to see produce or bakery items at the top of your list when you're shopping there. Here's how to get started. Before you can use category sets for the first time, you need to enable the feature in settings. While viewing your list, tap the Actions button in the upper right corner and open List Settings. In the section titled Categories, tap Advanced Category Settings. On the next screen, enable category sets. Then go back to List Settings, where you'll now be able to open category sets and tap Create a New Set. Give your category set a descriptive name, like the name of the store whose layout it matches. You can name your categories whatever you want, but that doesn't mean you have to name all the aisles in a grocery store from scratch. You can import default grocery categories right inside the app. On the screen called New Category Set, tap Add Category, Browse Existing Categories, and Grocery Categories. Then tap Select All, and Done. If your category set is just for one store, you can reorder the categories to match its layout and rename the categories to add aisle numbers. Another advantage of category sets is the ability to assign items to different categories in different sets. This is helpful when one store keeps the tortillas with the bread and another store puts them in the international aisle. Finally, category sets can be linked to filters. That makes switching your category set as simple as tapping the filter icon and picking the filter that matches the store you're in. Category sets are an advanced feature. Feel free to start with just stores and filters, then take the time to set up category sets when you're ready to take your organization to the next level. To learn more about stores, filters, and category sets, plus everything else you can do with the app, check out our help site, help.anylist.com. Whatever's on your list, check it off with AnyList.